Hey guys, so today we are going to color something. Wait guys, just wait guys. We're gonna color. We are gonna show you guys. Papapi, yours. What yours? Mine is. Sorry guys, we just woke up and our voice is look like this. That's okay guys. That's okay. Mine is guys. Favorite game guys. Roblox. Sabang is Peppa Pig because guys, you know, on March 30 we didn't post. Yes, we didn't post because we are banned. So today, so we are not banned today. It's because we do bad things. Yes, we do bad things like farts and show our butts. Show our butts guys like this. Like but we are not doing that anymore. So we don't want to ban. We want to see you guys. Yes, we want to see you guys and so don't forget like and subscribe to our channel. And we are almost to 200 subscriber. Only 11 left to reach that. Please subscribe. And thank you for your support to us to subscribe. And let's go to my first thing I draw is the Squid Game. And mine is Peppa Pig. Eating ice with George Pig. So if you watch Peppa Pig, comment down below. So go buy this too guys. So if you want this cause it's $25. Guys, if you want this too, buy it on Lazada. But it on Lazada, this cast is $25. It's so cheap. It's so cheap, guys. So it's real. It's true. Yes, it's true. Go see in your phone and check that. Check that if you want this too. So we buy 3 of them. Yes, we buy 3 of you, so 3 of mine. Hello, Peppa. I don't know you. Peppa. I'm not color George. No, not George. Squid Game. Red. We're gonna do Squid Game red. Yeah. So Peppa is color pink. Look at that. Mine is the Squid Game. So this is the YouTuber, guys. That's the YouTuber. Yeah. So we don't have so many Robux. We have 0 Robux, guys. Yes, we have 0 Robux. Please give us Robux, guys. And so if you give us Robux, so we're gonna subscribe you guys. Yes, I saw you. I saw our subscribe points. No subscriptions. So guys, shout out to them. Shout out to there, and we're going to shout out you guys. Yes. Oh, I don't have red. Here's a red. Look at mine. So Peppa is ice cream is red. Oh, I need one more red. This. Okay. So we have no posting because we are banned. Guys, we are banned. So today we are not banned. We just banned on March. It is on March 30. We are banned on 11 days. No, 17 days. 17 days kasi we have posts now on mga dito sa Pilipino. This from Filipino, but don't speak that. Don't speak the language, guys. We speak language on the word. So Oshipo kasapa. So Filipino guys, we speak Filipino. And you guys comment down below what you are speak. Yes. On the countries, there's 195 countries of the world. So giving the red. Look at mine now, guys. Look at this. I'm gonna draw swimming shirt, guys. I'm gonna draw that. So we create 2 videos or 1 video, guys. Because mommy is here for 4 days. No, for 3 days. 3 days, guys. We are dogs. We are 3. Our mommy is here from TDBs. My mommy have work on the Valenzuela. He have work and we don't come. So because We are so hyper in there.
Yes, so hyper.
So mommy didn't bring us to work.
This is holiday for us.
It's so holiday.
So we be in school on June, guys. We be in school on June. So we are third grade now, guys.
Kapepa. Yes, we are third grade on June. That's so sad. I miss our classmates.
Wait, ma'am, I miss my classmate. My friend is Sophia.
Your friend is Sophia. So my friend is Sophia too.
Sophia to last week.
No, not Sophia. To Amber.
So my friend is at school, guys.
At school. Please subscribe to our channel. And we're going to give you shout outs to our comments.
Yes, shout out of Eska Fergie. You need to like and
Subscribe. And go comment. Please shout out me.
Yes,
Go comment that.
Please go comment this we are gonna shout you. It's true, guys.
It's true. What's that noise? Oh, gidadasiw lang. Don't fart.
Don't fart.
Or we will ban again. We don't want to ban us.
Yes, my video is not done.
Me too. I'm going to George Pig. Look at that. We're going to give you shout out.
Shout out.
To our next video, guys. Sorry, guys. To our next video. We don't know. We don't know, guys. We don't know. We just saw our subscriptions. And you don't comment.
Sorry, guys. You don't comment, guys. And for me to comment us.
You need to comment us and go comment. Please shout out me.
We're gonna shout out.
Where is the red? No, not red. The peach. Sabi, I choose red na lang.
I choose gray.
And it's time to color the grass. The grass is green, guys. You know.
The grass is green. We are in our house, guys. Just we are alone. Mommy is sleeping, guys, on our bed.
Yes, and our brother is sleeping too with mommy.
Mommy, we don't have a daddy because our daddy is
Kick out us on our house. He kick us.
He kick us out. Guys, so we
and next time to color the sky. The sky is the last one, guys. Oh.
I hear something. Maybe that's our grandpa.
Where is the blue? Oh, there's no blue. So maybe I choose the large crayons.
Large crayon kasi buy that
On the bayan.
It's on the bayan. So you know, because we are in a Filipino, guys. You know it.
We buy that on the bayan.
You see, we are 8 years old now, guys.
Yes, we are 8 years old and we're and I miss our classmate now.
I miss our class. And my friend is waiting for us to grade 3.
Yes. We are best friends forever.
Need to color this.
Oh, I'm almost done, guys. Look at that.
Mine is
Why yours? Look, mine is not done.
check our iPad channel.
Yes, check our iPad. That's name is Draven Daniel. Draven and Daniel.
So we have 5 channels.
Yes, we have 5 channels. So mommy said we don't build another channel because we have so many channels. We have 5.
Yes, we have 5. Guys, we have 5.
Check our subscription, guys. We have 5 channels and go subscribe us all.
And I'm almost done, guys. I'm almost done.
Me too. And I'm done. I'm going to.
I'm done na too.
Look at me. Shall I see yours?
Here.
Sa your
So who's the better, guys?
Who's the better? If you like Peppa Pig, go subscribe to the channel. Look at mine.
Say you love.
So say our color when too long. So, I know the page 1. We draw the page 1, guys. We draw the page 1 on March 31, guys. We are not recording.
We are not recording. And
now let's hope like the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Bye-bye, guys. Subscribe. We are almost to 200 subscribers. Only 11 left to reach that.
subscribe, guys.
We are very passing, guys. Yes, we are going to wake up, mom. Bye-bye, guys.
Bye, guys.